মোল্ড চেক রিকোয়ারমেন্ট সম্বন্ধে আজকে জানবো যে আমরা মোল্ডে কী পয়েন্টগুলো চেক দিব। আর RS reader and log test are being used to monitor relative humidity ready in factory. Any action done to improve RS higher than 60%. Micropack PE sheet used in packing dehumidifier PU and leather product. Packing standard product is available for worker to follow. Dehumidifier suitable for the room size are being controlled. Temperature and humidity with the dry room. Dehumidifier suitable for the room size are used. Control temperature and humidity within dry room. Moisture control are maintained. Traceability and free shipment packing compliance. Access and the dry room are controlled. Dry goods packed controlled environment within 1 hour release. All stock and packed in directed area which are clean, dry, good lighting. Stock to be packed present to packer one style, one size, one color at a time. All packing labels are stored secretly and independently by style, size, color, issue, style. For apparel and sweater, dry condition room and mold prevention SOP are set up. তো মেটাল এরিয়াতে কী হবে, there are sufficient hanging rack and self rack for pressed garments. Minimum 15 minutes with in front of each metal detector place for air system. There is a proper layout setup. Avoid minimize the possibility of goods by pressing metal detector process. Found proper access control. Goods should be passed through by metal detector machine. Found proper tools and record. Machine calibrate 9 point. Found proper record and contract be detected. After the metal detections are processed, no production process which could lead contaminations before putting the garments into the carton box. All garments and soft foam are to be passed through metal detector. তো এখানে মোল্ড বা মেটাল ডিটেক্টর চেকের যে রিকোয়ারমেন্টগুলো এটা মূলত এখানে দেওয়া আছে যে মেটাল ডিটেক্টর মেশিনে তাদের যে ওয়ার্কিং প্রসিডিউরটা চেক দিতে হবে, তাদের রেজিস্ট্রি করে চেক দিতে হবে। হ্যাঁ, মোল্ড চেকের রিকোয়ারমেন্টগুলো এখানে আপনাদের সাথে শেয়ার করা হলো যে মোটামুটি আমরা কী চেক দিব।